Welcome to UPSC MP. Lok Sabha passes a bill to replace British era criminal laws. Lok Sabha has passed three bills to replace the British era criminal laws. These include Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita bills, Bharatiya Sakshya bill, and the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita bill. Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita bills replace Indian Penal Code 1860. Key provision of the bill. The bill retains most of the offences from Indian penal codes. It adds the community service as a form of punishment. Sedition is no longer an offence. Instead, there is a new offences for act of endangering the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India. The bill for the first time defines the terrorism and adds its separate offences in general criminal laws. It is defined as an act that intend to threaten the unity, integrity, and security or economic security of the country or strike a terror in the people. For the first time, capital punishment has been introduced for the offence of mob lynching. Bharatiya Sakshi Bill replaced the Indian Evidence Act 1872. Key provision of the bill. The Indian Evidence Act 1872 provides two kinds of evidence, documentary and oral. Documentary evidence includes primary or original documents, and secondary that proves the content of the original. The bill retains this distinction. The bill classifies electronic records as a primary evidence. It expands such records into information stored in semiconductor memory or any communication device, smartphone, laptops. Bill expands the secondary evidence include oral and written admissions, the testimony of the persons who has examined the document and is skilled in the examination of the document. Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita bills replace the Criminal Procedure Code 1973. Key provision of the bill. Bill mandate forensic investigation for an offence is punishable with 7 years of imprisonment or more. All the trials, inquiries, proceedings may be held in electronic mode. Production of the electronic communication device like to contain digital evidence will be allowed for investigation, inquiry, or trial. If proclaimed offender has absconded to evade a trial and there is no immediate prospect of arresting him, the trial can be conducted and judgment pronounced in his absence. The bill permits a police custody up to 90 days as against the 15 days custody allowed till now. Thank you. Bye.